Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to reshare archived story on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the archive option. You will now enter the story's archive that is set by default. Now choose the story you want to reshare. Then tap on the three vertical dots from the bottom right corner. From the menu, tap on the share option. You can edit your story if you want. If you don't, then just tap on the arrow icon. Tap on the share button. You can also send it to your friend if you want. If not, tap on done. And you will reshare archived stories on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to reshare archived stories on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.